Question number 8. A moving system undergoes an explosion. Okay, what is correct for the momentum of the system and the kinetic energy of the system? The moment you say it's an explosion, momentum is always conserved. Why? Because conservation of momentum is applicable. Momentum before explosion and momentum after explosion remains the same. So therefore, momentum is conserved. Momentum does not change. Okay, so therefore it is conserved over here. So these two are incorrect. Next, what happens to the kinetic energy? What happens to the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy of the system increases. Why does it increase? Since the explosion takes place due to an internal forces over here. If you have an object, let us say this part of its break, it's already moving like this. This part of its break and starts moving in the forward direction. So there is a force, internal force acting on the system. So therefore, this starts moving with a higher velocity over here. Okay, and as a result of it, your half mv square will increase. Right? You can always ask me, if this moves with a velocity v, then why not the momentum? But this also breaks into part, right? Okay, so it breaks into part in such a way that this increase in velocity is proportional to, inversely proportional to the mass. As mass increases, velocity will change, right? So therefore, as a result of it, kinetic energy will increase over here. Thus the right answer should be A.